Hi, my name is Eli Wiseman, and if you are a realtor, broker, CPA, or attorney looking to close more deals, earn more money, and help more investors succeed, you're exactly where you need to be. I'm not just one of the principals at DSCR Pro. We are your partners in building a more profitable business. Our mission is simple: help you get more investors qualified, get more offers accepted, and close your deals on time every time with no excuses. We do this by using commercial lending programs that most lenders don't even offer. From DSCR loans and fix and flip financing to bridge loans, SBA loans, bank statement programs, and creative financing solutions that help your investor clients stand out in competitive markets. And when it comes to follow-up, we are on your leads like a green on a pickle. Don't just take my word for it. Here is what Jason Henry from Keller Williams has to say. I have worked with many lenders, but Eli, the DSCR Loan Pro, stands out every time. He's proactive, creative with financing, and always available when clients or agents need clarity. He doesn't just process loans, he strategizes to help deals close and clients win. A true partner in the business. But here is the real question. Why should you trust me to help you grow your business? I'm a proud father of 2 amazing daughters, a devoted husband, and yes, a weekend sourdough baker. Once you go homemade, there is no going back. I'm a tennis fanatic, terrible at karaoke, and always looking to improve my salsa dancing. But when it comes to commercial lending and real estate financing, I have built a career from scratch and reached the pinnacle of success as one of the top originators in the industry. I was born in Uruguay, raised in Colombia, earned my MBA in finance in the Middle East, and came to the US on a tourist visa with $10,000. Money I got from selling my only asset in Colombia, a Chevrolet Swift, all to pursue the American dream. I went from installing cables in the Bronx to building a real estate portfolio of over 50 units, and I have been ranked in the top 1% of mortgage originations in America since 2013. Fernando Rios from Remax puts it this way: when you're looking for professionalism and effectiveness in mortgage planning, nobody better to make certain you will get the best results. Recommend Eli Wiseman every time, 100% great results. Along the way, I have helped hundreds of investors grow their portfolio, often rescuing them from bad advice and costly tax mistakes. I have closed deals for clients who were told no by every other lender, using creative commercial financing solutions that other mortgage professionals simply don't understand. And through my continuing education programs, I have empowered dozens of realtors and CPAs to unlock their full career potential, many of whom were just trying to stay afloat before we connected. Just ask Alexander Galves from Century 21. I have closed many DSCR loans with Eli, and they have been very straightforward. My clients are super happy, and they got what they wanted. If you are looking for someone to make it happen for you, I truly recommend Eli to get the job done. Here is what we bring to the table for your investor clients. DSCR loans qualify based on property cash flow, not personal income. Perfect for self-employed investors and portfolio builders. Fix and flip financing, short-term loans for investors looking to buy, renovate, and sell properties for profit. Bridge loans, quick capital to bridge the gap between buying a new property and selling an existing one. SBA loans, government-backed financing for commercial real estate purchases and business expansion. Bank statement programs for self-employed clients who can't show traditional W-2 incomes but have strong deposits. Hard money loans, asset-based lending for investors who need fast closings and flexible terms. Ephraim Obiamaku, who has been working with us for over 80 years, sums it up perfectly. Best DSCR loan company in the Bronx. Jaril, Tanya, and Eli are amazing people. They always take care of deals to the satisfaction of the client. The experience has been awesome. Now here's where it gets interesting. We have developed something called the DSCR Pro Commercial Lending Referral Program, and it is changing the game for professionals just like you. We want to show you exactly how working together can create a new revenue stream for your business, one that most professionals in your position don't even know exists. It is a true win-win partnership, and once you see how it works, you will wonder why you didn't do this sooner. So if you are ready to partner with someone who will help you close more deals, earn more money, and finally work with a commercial lender who actually gets it? Let's talk. Click the link below to inquire about our commercial lending referral program, and let us show you how we can increase your closings this year by working together. Call or text me directly at 718-300-3503 to inquire more about this program. I'm Eli Wiseman, and we build win-win partnerships that create long-term success for everyone involved. Let's grow together.